Hi everyone, welcome to Danny Dev. In this video, we are going to talk about using CSS to style websites in VS. So let's talk about what CSS is about. CSS means cascading style sheets. It is used to style HTML elements. It controls layouts, colors, fonts, and animations. It allows for separation of contents in design, which means that all the designs being done for your websites, the positioning, and all the other styling you see is being done with CSS. So let's create a folder on our desktop and open it in VS. Let's name the folder CSS styling. Then now let's open the folder in VS. So this is our folder in VS. So we create the HTML extension index.html. Then here there are three types of styling in CSS. We have what we call inline styling, internal styling, and external styling. So with the inline styling, when you have something like we we are styling CSS. So let's run this. We are styling CSS. Just teaching the name, the title, CSS styling. Yes. So with the inline styling, you style it in the HTML tag. So you are coming to do the styling over here. So style, then you want to give it a color or black. Let's give it a color of blue. Yes. So this is what we call inline styling. And let's increase the font size. Font size 30, 30 pixels. Yes. So this is what we call inline styling. You style in the HTML tag. That's inline styling. Then we have another type of styling called internal styling. So with the internal styling, when you have something like we are going to with the internal styling, you create a style inside the HTML page. So you create a style like this. So here's a style. Then you give this one a class called container. Then you come and call it dot container. This is what we call internal styling. So let's give it a color of green. So here's it. And let's give it a font size of 20 pixels. So here's it. So this is what we call internal styling. So this is all what you have to know about internal styling and inline styling. Then we have another one we call external styling. With the external styling, you have to create a file index.css inside your foot. So when you create the index.css, let's create another code that we will use to style it externally. We use for styling externally. So let's type my name is Dora. I am 12 years 12 years. So we want to style this with the external styling. So with the external styling, you have to link it. So link, then full stop forward slash, you see everything then you choose the index of CSS. So you have linked the CSS to the HTML, which means that now everything you'll be doing in the CSS will also appear in the HTML. And when you run it, you will see the changes. So let's give it a class of name. And let's come and call it over here. Dot name. Then we give it a color. Yellow. It's too thin. Then let's change the to brown. Yellow. Then let's change the font size. Let's make the font size 30 pixels. Yes. So this is everything about styling in CSS, the types of styling. We have the inline styling, the internal styling, and the external styling. So we said with the internal styling, we style inside the HTML tag. So here was the example. We made the program blue, then we changed the font size to 30. Then when we come to the internal, we see we create the style inside the HTML. So we are going to like over here. Then we give it a class of container. So when you give it a class, you use dots and the name of the class you give it. Dot container, the color is green, font size 20 pixels. Then we have the external styling. With the external styling, you create a file called index.css. You come and link it the HTML using link. So you link it using link rel, then you come and start it in index.css. So we gave it a color of brown, a font size of 30 pixels. Then the class was name, so we did dot name. Then this what came when we run it. Thank you for watching.